talking, and out the while they said, watch out for 22 line. No, I never keyed on him. I never keyed on him. I never keyed on. I was out here talking. They said, watch out for 22 line. Take care. True story. Bye bye.
Man, I had to wait. I got to go around. Plug my ears and let me tell be sure. But anyway, Windjammer, I did wait because I wanted to hear again. So, Windjammer, you said your little mobile, Stormy, the car and the black hole,
Man, I missed it.
Yeah, tell my quick, man.
What's going on this morning, Stormy? What's going on this morning, Stormy? Good morning to you, Stormy. Good afternoon, whichever the case may be. Stormy, you know who it is, and you know which way I'm going. Stormy, good day.
Well, I gotta get a gate started on this one, because y'all ain't gonna believe it. Hey, Windjammer sounded good in a little mobile. Hey, little Ralph, they sounded good in a mobile.
Hey, Stormy, all I was trying to do was say good morning and good afternoon to you. I'm gonna get out your ears, man. Let the mobiles go ahead, man. But I had to spoke at you, no doubt about it. Hey, Stormy, take care. Have a super fine one. Stormy, you know who it is, and you know which way I'm going. Stormy, good day.
Till next time. Bye bye.
I'm gonna tell you the way the cat big and dominoes fell. Hey, little Ralph, you was in my radio first, and then do a cat big show. I know which direction you went. Windjammer's talking to somebody else in the big horn. Stormy weather mobile in the gold is clear.
And that alright, Stormy, no doubt about it. You're doing your thing, man. Hey, Stormy, you doing your McNasty, I got to tell you, man. So I'm gonna get on out of your ears, man. Go and do what you gotta do. I ain't gonna hold it down. Stormy, take care. Have a super fine one. Stormy, your buzz at Northwest Cone and I just bank.
I can't come back. Bye bye.
Hey, 229, where you at keying that traffic station, man? Hello. Hey, 229, where you at keying that drop plugging station? Hey, 229, I was talking to you for the next time. You want to be a nosy. Break.
I thought I was doing something.
And that alright, Stormy, no doubt about it, man. I figured you was going somewhere else, man. I was trying to get by you, man, but I guess I couldn't, so I'm gonna get out of your duck shucking ears. I did put that gate up in you, man. Hey, Stormy, I did put that gate up in you yesterday. Good, yuggity, boogity, boy. You had that duck shucking hammer down. Don't point that mobile at me, man, because I'm finna go 10-7. Hey, Stormy weather. Stormy weather, your little brother buzzed it up around the northwest corner. And I just banked left again. Stormy, good day. Hey, Stormy, you been to mine. Who said I can't key on your ass? Hey, Stormy, you know where I post mine at on who said I can't key on your ass? Hey, Stormy, that's where it is. You part of it. You a member. Hey, Stormy, your buzzing and I bank.
And I got it. Hey, brother, Stormy, we don't know where to go. Cause I heard it in my radio. Hey, brother, while you bike your Stormy, well, a mobile player. Moving on.
Good day, Stormy. I'm out your ear. Go and talk, Stormy. Good day. As I end this gate, yo buzz it up round the northwest corner. And I just banked all the way left now. Good day.